Kids Story Corner, learning and fun for little ones.
Toilet cleaning song.
Be in the know when you go. When you want to do a wee, don't just go in your nappy. It's much cleaner to use the loo, and here is what you need to do. Be in the know when you go. Be in the know when you go. First you pull your nappy down, and then it's time to turn around. Step right up on that steppy stool. Now sit on the toilet. You're so cool. Be in the know when you go. Be in the know when you go. Do your wee or do your poo. Wow, great job, you did it, woo! Take some paper from the roll. Wipe and drop it in the bowl. Be in the know when you go. Be in the know when you go. Put your nappy right back on. You're almost done with our simple song. There's just 2 more things left to do. First, let's flush that wee or poo. Be in the know when you go. Be in the know when you go. The final thing you need to do after every wee and poo is wash your hands until they're clean. Scrub with soap until they gleam. Be in the know when you go. Be in the know when you go.
Yay! Use the toilet. Great job.
For more great stories and learning materials, subscribe to Kids Story Corner.